We're up. It's 4:30 in the morning and we're heading to the airport to go to Texas. You probably can't see me, so
we just got outside and I literally cannot breathe. It is so hot. Roasty toasty.
Okay, we made it and we are on the balcony of our Airbnb right now at this nice view. Here's what it looks like. Oh my, very nice. So we have a weekend trip planned. We're gonna just hang on the beach, tan, swim, I don't know.
Hi fans.
Okay, we just woke up. Well, no, we woke up at 6 a.m. and 5:54 to be exact. We're catching the sunrise right now, and so yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna try to send the drone up and see if that's allowed here. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, up for the sunrise again, and it's a little bit better today. Still a little cloudy, but still definitely beautiful. Oh my gosh, wait for it, dog. Okay, and we're taking like pictures. We're gonna send the drone up too, so yeah. It's boogie time! We're going in! I said, do you want to do an underwater shot? She said no. It's closed! Hers is closed. I'm about to dive in. Are walking around to the lagoon side to see the sunset, and it's beautiful. We're not even there yet, but I can see the beauty. Woo! Wow, all I can say is wow. Okay, now we're on this dock. It said no trespassing, but I think this is like okay, honestly. Like,
no one's coming to get us.
Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
God's handiwork, man.
Okay, We need to go. Okay, awesome sunset. People are playing music over there. That was fun for 2 seconds.
It was lots of fun.
Look at the sky, you guys, hold on.
Look at the sky.
She wants us to stop for the sky.
Look at it. Look at it. So you know what? God made that.
God made that. Yeah, he did.
Very nice.
And on the 7th day, he said, it is good.
My mother's yelling at me right now to get out of the way. Sad.
I might bust out
On the way to the airport.
Why do our trips go so quickly?
Okay guys, we're in the airport right now and so sad.
We had such a good time together.
Fun time. Now we're flying back home.
And it's depressing. I actually am really
Yeah.
sad. I can't handle it. This happens every time I
But-
cry on the airplane. I hold it together in the airport and then the airplane's like let loose and like listen to sad music and fly home.
Sad music flies. But we'll see each other again a year from now, probably.
We're already planning the trip. They're
We're
over
planning
there.
our trip,
They're over there
so-
planning the trip.
So don't worry, don't be too heartbroken because we'll still see each other.
We'll be
again.
back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Don't you worry. But thanks for following us along and
Go check out our TikTok.
bye.